Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Al Verloff. I'm a retired Master Sergeant from the U.S. Air Force, communications specialist, combat cameraman, and journalist and public relations are my backgrounds. I have a son that goes to John Jay. He's in the Science and Engineering Academy. And I have some concerns about his health risks. And excuse me if I'm a little nervous. I'm not used to normally doing this. I'm not one to speak out, but I'm very concerned specifically with my knowledge of the dangers of RF radiation. First, I'm going to start off with just asking the board some questions, which I don't expect to be answered in this forum. And then I just have a closing statement. And I'll try to do it all within the time allowed. Okay, my first question is NISD receiving any private, federal, state, or local government funding to be a test bed, or I should say a science project for RFID student tracking, and if so, by whom? Why does NISD believe that RFID technology is safe, despite the UN World Health Organization's 31 May report that has classified radio frequency electromagnetic fields as possibly carcinogenic to humans based on the increased risk of glioma and malignant type of brain cancer? Also, I'd like to ask the board, can NISD afford the possible legal liabilities associated with RF radiation illnesses imposed on NISD students and staff? I'd also like to know, has NISD conducted comprehensive and independent health studies on the effects of constant RF radiation exposure from RFID equipment and its effect that it will have on students and staff in the long term? And have all necessary RF equipment emissions tests and environmental impact studies been physically conducted on the entire John Jay and Anson Jones school campuses to ensure occupant RF exposure is at a safe level according to all applicable federal, state, and local laws? And if these reports have been generated, are they available for public viewing? I take great pride, and I'm not here to beat anyone up tonight, any of you fellow folks. I have many relatives that are school teachers or work in school administration, including my wife. All right? I understand the tough jobs that are ahead. And I'm also very proud for my son to be in the Science and Engineering Academy. However, my personal experience, I have 25 years of experience with dealing with communications equipment of all sorts, and even doing the testing and integration to be fielded in every base worldwide. I've had my technical solutions been fielded in over 160 Intel units. I come to this table with a certain degree of knowledge on the subject. I'm not about just throwing stones for the sake of throwing stones.
I'm sorry, Mr. Carl.
Okay.
Wrap it up.
Okay, I'm sorry. So as I wrap it up, my closing statement is, the UN World Health Organization has reported that radio frequencies okay, I already did that. Okay, sorry. As life on Earth can be classified as bioelectric, our hearts and brains are regulated by complex electric signals. Man-made EMRs and EMFs are genotoxic, meaning that they can interfere with delicate electrical processes in the human body relating to cellular degeneration and DNA damage. RF radiation exposure could be as detrimental to public health in the 21st century as lead paint, cigarettes, DDT, and asbestos were in the 20th century, items that were once thought to be safe. Can our society continue to survive more electromagnetic emissions pollution? As a parent and concerned citizen, I
Carl, that's it. I'm sorry. We appreciate you.
Okay. As a parent, I implore you to stop this. Thank you.
Thank you.